Okay, so occasionally what they'll do is they're going to give you a percentage and they'll tell you that, they'll give you what the portion of it is. So in this question, 75% of a whole amount, of a whole number, is $150, okay? There's another couple of questions that are talking about fuel tanks and stuff. So, like 20% of the fuel tank is 5 litres or whatever. What size is the full fuel tank? What you have to keep coming back to is a full fuel tank or a full amount is 100%. And it's really hard to move from 75% or another obscure percentage up to 100. Like if it was 50%, you could just double the number, that's fine. But when it's something like this, which is 75, one way of doing this is to take it back down to what 1% is worth, okay? So instead of looking for 75%, take the 150 and divide it by 75, and that will give you 2, which is what 1% is worth, okay? Now, the question's not asking you what 1% of the tank is, it's asking you for a full tank. It's asking you for 100%. So all you need to do is take that number and make it 100 times bigger, and then what you'll find is the full capacity of that tank or the full capacity of the amount, okay? So again, to try and break it down simply for you, okay, remember, if you've got to try and explode a number up to 100%, it's easiest to go back to what 1% of it is and then multiply it by 100 to get the full amount. There are a few other ways of doing this, but this is the simplest one. And this is really useful if you've got, an amount of money that includes GST, and you've got to try and work out what that amount of money is before GST.